Tabitha.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we doing today?
We're making baby life food.
So today we're showing everyone the different ways you can make baby life food.
Yes. There's one way.
Yeah. You use baking soda and
Food coloring. You have to do baking soda first.
let's pour some baking soda.
That's a little bit. Oh.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
And now
I got
let's
some in my hand.
and now let's put some food coloring. But what flavor do you want? Maybe let's make banana doll food.
Yeah, I'll do.
So that's yellow, right? It should be yellow.
Yeah. Oh, it's red.
It is yellow when you put it.
It's coming out. It's not coming out.
See that? How about one more? Just one more. Squeeze it. There you go. And now you stir it.
We need more.
Yeah, you're right. I think we need more yellow.
I'll put it now.
Careful, you squeeze it. Stop. And stir it some more.
Stir.
Yeah, mix it.
It is done, Mommy.
Yeah, I think it's done. It looks like banana doll food, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but wait, you have to color this first.
Yeah.
So we've downloaded these templates from Fun with Baby Alive. You just have to cut them and glue the edges or maybe use tape. Now Tabitha's coloring the banana. Is this fun?
It's our food packet.
Yay! We have the banana doll food packet. Look, we've already glued the sides.
And put baby life food.
Yeah. Now we're ready to put the baby alive food.
Open it.
Scoop it out. Go. Here it is.
It's
Our
filling.
banana doll food that we made ourselves, right? And later we'll mix it with water and feed your baby.
Let's make peas.
Let's make peas doll food. You want to color that first?
No, make the food first.
Okay. So we need more baking soda
I'll put it.
this time we're using
Green.
green, yeah, because peas are green. There you go. Mix it. Oh, we've added a little bit of yellow to the green to make it more like green peas, right? You think that's yummy?
Yeah.
Now you have to color the packet. Color the
Yes.
packet so we can put the food inside.
I think it's green. I'll do this one darker. It's our peas packet.
Wow, it's so cute. Look at the peas.
Yeah.
They're so cute. Ready to put the food inside?
Yeah.
So we already made peas and
Banana.
yeah.
I say banana. Banana.
What if we make juice next?
Yeah.
How about apple juice? To make apple juice, we can use these leftovers, right? Let's mix them together and make apple juice. Okay. Mix them.
I think we need more. That was too much. That was too much.
And maybe more yellow.
Yeah. Got the yellow.
Careful.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it.
Just do a little drop.
A little drop only. How about I squeeze it for you? There you go. Now let's mix.
Look,
Be careful.
the apple juice is already done.
Oh, looks yummy. Okay, so let's put the apple juice powder in this packet. Hey, you forgot to color it. Is it green apple?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Here's our apple juice packet.
Wow!
It gets so cute.
You look so cute.
We can make some blueberry juice.
Let's make some blueberry juice. Look at this cute packet, right?
And you got the small blueberries.
Yeah. They're so cute. So how do you make the blueberry juice?
Let's add baking powder.
Baking soda, you mean? Okay, let's put baking soda. And what color of food coloring? I think that's enough.
Ah,
What color?
blue.
Blue, okay.
Inside, and the outside.
2 drops.
It's done.
Oh, is it done? Let me see. What if we put a little bit of purple?
Oh wow! Now it gets like blueberry.
Oh yes, it really looks like blueberry. So yummy, right?
Yeah, let's put it in the package. I think the baby oil will wipe it. It's done.
It's done, our blueberry juice. Look at all we've made today.
I think we're done. We're done with baking soda. We're gonna make
Baby Alive food
With
using
ocean.
lotion, right? And we'll put it in that container. Open it. Let's make carrot, Baby Alive food. So you can use any lotion that you have.
That's blue.
Yeah, it's light blue, right? Don't worry, when we put the food coloring, it will turn orange for carrot. And to make orange, we're going to use red and yellow. Where's the yellow? Here you go.
I'll put red
You
first.
mix, okay. Put a bit of red first, and then you put a little bit of yellow. Enough? Okay, now you put yellow. Okay, now you mix. Okay, go. Mix it.
It's yummy. This is jelly. This is jelly.
Wow. Now it really looks like carrot, right?
Let's put it now.
No, don't feed the baby yet. So it's so easy, right, to make the Baby Alive food with lotion.
Yeah.
You just put food coloring and that's it. And you can mix it easily. Ah, it looks so yummy. Here's our very own carrot baby food.
Yeah.
Using lotion.
Let's toast it now.
Okay, close it now and then later we'll feed it to the babies. And last but not the least, the easiest way to make Baby Alive juice is with water and food coloring.
Yeah, food coloring.
Okay, so put water.
Let's open this one first.
Careful. Let me help you with that. Okay, I'll pour it for you, okay? What juice are we making?
Strawberry.
Okay, so what
It's
color?
red.
What color do we need?
Red.
Red. Just put a drop of red, okay? Not too much. Hey, is that red? Oh yes, it is. Just a drop. Okay, that's enough. Close it
And shake it.
and shake it.
bad. Yes, this button that's orange.
Or you mean orange juice?
Yeah.
It's not strawberry anymore. Okay. So now let's try the food.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Is your baby wearing diaper?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go.
And maybe she wants this one.
Okay. So you'll feed her carrot.
I can't open it.
Here you go. So you're going to feed her carrot.
Ah!
Here's a wipe. You can wipe her face with that. And now drink your juice. Wow. Hey, let's make something for the other baby. Look at her. She's sad and she's hungry. Let's make blueberry juice for her.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put water here.
Oh, I think she's done.
What? That was so fast. Okay, let me just make blueberry juice for my other baby. Okay.
Mommy, I think she wants more juice.
Okay, I'll also make for her. Don't worry. Maybe apple juice for her?
Done.
Cover it. With the other baby. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that color. Now let me just close it. So I can shake it. Look at it.
Yeah. You see? Oh, yeah.
Here you go, baby. Can you feed this to the baby?
Yeah, sure. No, you have to squeeze it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to squeeze it like this. Yeah. I think she wants steroid juice to that.
No, she can't eat yet.
But, no, the other baby wants to eat.
Oh, okay, your baby. Okay.
Nice and sweet. Let's make banana doll food.
Okay, here it is. Pour the banana doll food from the packet, and then you add water. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay, just add a few drops. Okay, stir it now. Not too much water. Oh, I think it needs more?
Yeah.
Okay, some more.
Well,
Oh, that's enough. Now you stir it. Mix it. Oh, let me put it here. Here's the banana doll food. Think she likes it?
yeah.
What do you say, baby?
I don't know what she's saying. Mapayaw, you're making your baby life food.
Bye!
Bye, business time! Sit there, baby. That's how I smell pee-pee. Ew! Wipe it. Let's check the other diaper. Ew. It's like to poop. Ah! I think she wants, yeah, let's just use white.